Hey loves, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and staying safe out here in these streets. For today's video, I have the Sephora sale, kind of my picks, what I would get. I am going to get some of these things. I'm not going to get everything just because Sephora kind of did their employees dirty during this pandemic. I'm not going to lie. I'm more of an Ulta shopper anyway myself. I'm just VIB. I'm not VIB Rouge or anything, but that's a whole story for another day. Today I'm just talking about my picks for the sale and what I would get. I have 10 things on my list. I'm probably going to get about 5 or so things that are on this list. And yeah, these are just my picks, things that I would personally spend my money on, because I never shop at Sephora when there's not a sale, because it's just ridiculous, some of the prices there, and it's just, you know, I'm not going to spend my coin there, frankly. But these are just my picks. I don't mean to be negative in this intro either, but these are just my picks, everything that I would choose to use. So if you guys would like to see what I am picking up from the Sephora VIB sale, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, I actually moved my mic closer, so I hope that it sounds a little better. I have all of the things listed on my phone, and I will have a picture here or here for you guys so that you're able to see what I'm talking about. But for number one, I am definitely going to pick up some Fenty Gloss Bombs. I love the Fenty Gloss Bombs. I have one right here. This is just in the Fenty Glow. This is the original one that she put out. I absolutely love this lip gloss so much. It's so amazing. It smells like Starburst, and it just leaves your lips super juicy, super hydrated, and it just makes everything look really, really like, just like you got some lips on you, girl, or whatever. So I definitely want the shade Hot Chocolate, and there's another one that I wanted, but I am definitely going to pick out some of these because these are just so good, and they're so perfect to just throw in your bag. You don't have to look in a mirror when applying them. They're just so easy to grab and go. And I love the formula of these so much. I am also obsessed with Rihanna, so I might be a little bit biased, but these are so good. If you haven't picked one of these up, what the heck are you doing, girl? Go run to Sephora right now. Next up, I want to pick up the Fenty Matte Bronzer. I just want to look at the claims of it. I definitely love a matte bronzer, especially in the wintertime, because sometimes I don't want like a glowy bronzer in the wintertime, and it just makes me look like I'm fake tanned, which, you know, if that's your thing, then that's your thing. But I just like to look a little bit, you know, chiseled, a little bit, you know, like I have cheekbones even though I don't or whatever. So, they have so many different shades because Rihanna is amazing and she knows what people need. So this says it's a long wear transfer resistant bronzing powder in 8 groundbreaking shades, each carefully curated to bring all skin tones to life. It says this powder bronzer comes in 8 versatile shades to bring out the warmth in all skin tones, smooth, creamy, and easy to blend. This light as air bronzer gives you a sun-soaked glow that stays put all day. Whether you're looking for warmth or contouring, it does it all with a perfect soft matte finish. So this is what it looks like on the Sephora website. It just looks so pretty. I think I'm definitely going to get the shade either Caramel Cutie. I think that might be a good one. Or Bahan Girl? Guile? I know how to spell Gael, but Bajan Gael? I don't know. But I am really excited. I'm definitely going to pick up anything that I mentioned that's Fenty, because, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. How long is this sale, actually? We got time, girl. We got time. I don't remember when I'm uploading this video, but we got time. So I am also 150% going to pick up the Laneige Lip Balm. I have been wanting that for so long, you guys. If you have been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I am obsessed with the Bath & Body Works Menthol Lip Shine lip glosses. I have one like literally everywhere around me at all times. I think I have one, yeah. I have one in like my to-go makeup bag right here. They just look like this. of course I drop it. They just look like this, and they're so easy to just throw in your bag, and they're so moisturizing, so hydrating. I love the way they feel on my lips, and I never have chapped lips because of that lip shine. But they have so many different ones. They have ones that have a little bit of tint to it if you want to go out for the day and have a little something on your lips. They're just so amazing. But I have heard nothing but good things about the Laneige lip sleeping mask, and I just want to try it out. It's $20. I just want to try it out and see if it's worth the hype, honestly, because, like, I know that my Laneige, menthol lip shine is amazing, so I have, like, 1,700 backups of them, and they're $8, and if you go on a sale, you can, like, get buy two, get one free type of thing at Bath & Body Works, but Bath & Body Works isn't open currently because it's not an essential business, even though I feel like candles are essential, but that's just me. But I 100% am picking up the Laneige Lip Balm because I need it. I need to try it, and I just need to see what the hype is about and if it's softer than my menthol lip shine. So I will be back to tell you guys if that is true or not, but we shall see. Okay, so I also want to pick up the Summer Fridays, what is it called? The Summer Fridays jet lag mask. That's what it's called. I have heard nothing but good things about this mask. I heard Nicole Guerrero talk about it. She was the first one I heard talk about it, and I trust anything she says because, like, that's my girl in my head, you know what I mean? So it just says that it is a mask. It's really good. It's it says on cleansed skin, dry, apply thin, even layer, may be used under and over the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes for maximum hydration. Blot with a warm cloth or tissue if necessary. Oh my god, I can't speak. No need to rinse. It just looks so good. So everybody says that, like, they put it on, like, before, like, they go on, like, a long flight, but it just says, people say, like, it instantly just, like, refreshes the skin and just makes it look so plump and so hydrated. And I have been super into skincare. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I have been on, like, a Derma E kick with my skincare, and I really want to upgrade. Like, I want to get into, like, Kate Somerville and Drunk Elephant when the time comes. I know this would be a really good time to purchase those things, but I just purchased new things from Derma E, so I don't want to, like, buy all this stuff and then just have it be sitting in my bathroom, and I already have so much stuff in my bathroom I do not need anymore. But I am super excited to try that out as well. Moving on, I also want to pick up the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I love brows. I have determined that I can do my brows really well now. It took me a while. It took me a while to find my groove and my shape, but I think they look really good today. Especially, like, I know what looks good on my face now. Before, I was trying, like, a super thick brow, like a super feathery brow, and, like, no. Like, I know what brow works for me now, finally, after freaking, like, how long, many years of wearing makeup. But, you know, makeup is all about trial and error, but I really want to try the brow blade because I want to try and, like, feather the front of my brow. I don't have a lot of hair in the front of my brow. I don't have a lot of brow hair at all, if we're being honest here. But I just wasn't blessed in the brow department, but I am trying to grow them out a little bit just to make them look, like, a little bit more like something's there, but that's a story for another day. The brow blade, it has, like, those 3 little blades on it, so, like, you can really fake the, like, strokes of hairs in your brows and everything. I just want to try it. I think that it would be really fun. I have nothing but time now, even though I am currently working still. But just to try out my makeup and everything, I think it would be something very fun to try out. Next up, I want to really try the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powders. My skin has calmed down a lot with being oily. Now I would say I have combination oily skin. I'm still very oily, like, in my T-zone, but my cheeks and everything, it's pretty normal, I would say. I'm definitely not dry at all, which, you know, I don't think I'll ever be dry in my life, but having oily skin means that you'll have less wrinkles, so, you know, you win some, you lose some. But my skin has definitely calmed down, like, since, like, high school and everything. I was, like, an oil slick in high school, like, I still get very oily, but not as much as I could. You know what I mean? So I definitely want to try that out and just like use it to like set my face a little bit. As you guys can see, I really like the glowy look to skin now. I have a lot of highlight on right now. So if you guys are wondering about this look, I will have this look coming out a little bit later. I just wanted to get this video up first for you guys so you could shop the sale. But yeah, I love like the 3-pan. It's by Hourglass, the ambient lighting powders. I probably showed the picture already on the screen, but I have heard about these for years, and I think that they just give such a nice, healthy glow to the skin. And like, you don't have to use them on as just a highlight. Like, you can use them all over the face for like a natural kind of like glowing from within sheen, and I love that. So I definitely am going to pick that up as well. Okay, so speaking of skincare, I really want to pick up the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Serum. I just really want this because I love vitamin C for my skin. My skin loves vitamin C. The current moisturizer that I'm using is the Derma E Intense Vitamin C Night Cream. I think that's it. It's in a yellow bottle. It's so good, so thick, and it just makes my skin in the morning like glow. Like, it is beaming. It is so beautiful. It hydrates my skin so well. I am obsessed with it. That's why I don't want to really get the Ole Henriksen one, because like I already have something that I love. But I've just been seeing so many people talk about this serum and like the primer as well. But I don't really wear makeup that often anymore for me to get the primer and it be worth it. But the serum, your girl uses a serum every night. I heard April Athena 7 talk about the primer, and I think she uses the serum if I'm not mistaken. But I just want to try it so bad because I love vitamin C for my skin, and it's so, so good for your skin. And Ole Henriksen's products look so, so good for your skin, and just I just want it so bad. But also, speaking of skincare, I really want to try the Fresh Rose Toner. I tried out the Derma E Radiance Toner and I loved it. It's a dupe for the Fresh Toner. So if you don't feel like spending the money on the Fresh one, definitely try out the Derma E one. I should be sponsored by Derma E because I love all of their products so much. But I want to try out the Fresh Rose Toner just because it has like the fresh rose petals in it. And like I said, I am super into skincare right now. I also really want to try the Fresh Soy Cleanser. That's not a part of my list, but that is like coupled in with it. I'm probably not going to pick that up just because, like I said, I love the cleanser that I'm currently using. So I don't have a reason to really pick up the Fresh one, even though I really want it. So we shall see. But the Fresh Rose Toner, it just looks so pretty in the bottle, and I've heard nothing but good things about it as well. And I love toning my skin. I feel like it really removes all of the excess makeup, all of the stuff that is left behind on your face. Also, talking about like makeup removal and a clean face and everything, I want to try out the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm. It's like almost like the Pond's cold cream, where like you rub it all over your face and it kind of removes all your makeup, and it turns into like an oil, I believe, and it turns into almost like a cleanser as well, I think. Don't quote me because that's just what I think I heard. I don't even know if I heard that correctly. But it looks so good. I know that I think Physician Formula has a dupe for it at the drugstore. So I think I might do like a trying out products like dupes from the drugstore versus high end, because I think that that would be really interesting for you guys to find out. But I definitely want to pick that one up, and it's like a clean beauty product as well from Sephora, which I really liked. And yeah, I just want to try that out just to see how it works and everything like that. And then lastly, I think I'm definitely going to pick up the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I need that for the summertime, especially if I'm wearing makeup, which is not often in the summertime because like I said, I'm an oil slick on my face. But when I do wear makeup, when I do go out, I don't know if I'm going out this summer because #quarantine times. But hopefully we'll be out by like August maybe. And then I'll be able to go outside and, be cute and, do my thing. But we shall see. But even without corona or quarantine or whatever, I still need my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. So hopefully I can get that. But those are all the products that I want to try out from the Sephora sale. Let me know all your products down below. I would love to know because your girl wants to spend some money, okay? I don't know about you, but I'm ready to spend some money, especially because Sephora isn't open, so everything will be delivered, and it'll just be amazing. So let me know your products down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and like this video before you leave. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I love you girls so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.